Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us. Our video today brought to us again by Country TV, Channel 81 on Sky. I believe the Herald videos may not be back until the start of spring because of the election. Let's have a look and see what is going on weather-wise. You can see plenty of cloud out here in the Tasman associated with a developing low. Now that's not over us at the moment, but it's how winter is going to see its way out for northern areas. So for the rest of winter, I think it's pretty safe to say that if you live in Southland and Otago, high pressure is your friend. Now there may be an isolated shower, but for the most part we're seeing dry weather for the rest of the month if you're living in the deep south. But this is the next thing that's waiting in the wings. So as we move through this week, Wednesday the high firmly in control of the country. The weekend was spectacular across many areas, but not everybody. Wellington and some eastern areas didn't get a lot of sun. The good news is you will get the sun this week. So if it wasn't sunny for the weekend, it'll be sunny this week. There's a bit of coastal clouds around. Both islands have that, but generally speaking, Wednesday looks pretty good around the South Island and much of the eastern and southern North Island, but it does start to go downhill a bit in the north ahead of this incoming low. So Thursday we see high pressure around the South Island, but a northeasterly wind flow that usually produces a bit of cloud here and there, and we'll see the rain clouds building in the north now. Now this is one to watch, not so much because it's a big widespread area of rain, but because it has pockets of heavy rain sparked on by the subtropical flow, and this is slow moving. It's going to be stalled, held up by this blocking high pressure system. So Northland, we're not expecting one day of solid rain, but rain off and on across the next few days, starting as early as Tuesday night or Wednesday and lingering right through until we get to the weekend. And you can see here on Friday, patches of heavy rain, isolated drizzly falls in between, and then for much of the country, say 70% of New Zealand, dry with no rain at all, thanks to this high. So the high is our friend as well as the problem maker with this low. It's going to hold it up. So Northland, after the recent flood events, this is one to watch, but at this stage we're not raising all the alarm bells, but we are watching it very, very closely. And our final map here as we head in towards the weekend, it's still sitting up here, still bringing in rain off and on and slowly moving eastwards, as is this high. But for Southland and Otago, parts of Canterbury, West Coast, Watlow, pretty much high pressure for you for the rest of this week. And of course, winter officially ends this weekend, so it's going to be ending on a fairly mild note by the looks of it. Nothing too dramatic for the kickoff of spring. That is all for me. Don't forget you can watch Country TV for 10-day forecasts. Great if you're a farmer or a grower. We extend beyond these maps and to really go into in-depth stuff into the start of September now. So if you want to subscribe to that channel, Channel 81 on Sky, or you can go to their website, countrytv.co.nz. That's all for me. We'll catch you again on Wednesday with the latest on this incoming Rainmaker.